Hi, I'm Evan Einhorn, Modern Home Lending. I've been in the mortgage industry since 2013, and I switched to the broker side in 2018. I've been happy to be a top 100 broker in the US last couple of years and top broker under 30 a couple of years ago. I switched over and opened my own broker shop in 2018, and I was lucky enough to use MonitorBase at my previous retail shop, so I already saw its power. But me being a broker owner, it's been super helpful to track past clients. We chose to use MonitorBase because it was super cost effective and it was also very robust at the same time. So compared to some other providers, the cost per lead was great. We pay for it. I think it's very important because there are some of our lender partners, a few of our lender partners that do track, some past clients, but it's not forever and it's not for all of our clients. And it's definitely not for our pre-approval clients. So using MonitorBase, make sure no one falls through the crack and it's continuously monitored forever. So it's not just a few years while the lender services the loan. It's not after closing. You might have a client, it's been big going from 2021 to 2022 to 2023 because we've had some clients that they were pre-approved, or maybe they just didn't get us all their documentation, or they weren't quite approved because they either lost out on their dream home or they got pre-approved and they couldn't afford it, but now prices have dropped. So there are people coming back in the market, and MonitorBase, even if you're perfect with follow-up, someone will fall through the crack. And that's where MonitorBase is just a nice backup to make sure you don't lose it. And I hate to sound like every salesperson that calls me, but one deal literally pays for MonitorBase all year, and it's 100%. I do think almost every loan officer and every mortgage broker would benefit from MonitorBase. When I first started my company in 2018, I was averaging about 4 or 5 loans a month. It was $100 a month at the time. I signed up immediately. It was, it paid for itself. I had a decent database, not huge. So anyone that has any kind of database, but even if you don't have a database, you can farm neighborhoods. So you can literally put your neighborhood in there. You can pull property tax records. Like, there's so many creative ways that you could do it for, new kind of marketing. We use it mostly for past clients. So, I hate to say there's one person that can't use it, but I think there's two major ways you can use it, and you can use it both ways. One, for past clients, in your database. But 2, if you're just starting out, there's also a lot of cool marketing ways you can use it too. And, there's been times that we've done both. So the majority of people that are looking to grow their business, MonitorBase is good for past clients, so any loan officer that has a huge database of past clients, but also if you're getting into the industry and brand new, you can literally upload everyone you know. And again, it's, I've even done a presentation of 15 ways to get business in 2023, and one of them I call stalking. And, MonitorBase is that, so it's stalking in a good way. But in the mortgage broker community, like, we are giving consumers the best deal. So the way I look at it, it's making sure we reach as many consumers as possible.